Welcome to DelftStack. I will show you how to fix Arc Raiders corrupted files and get your game running again. Open your Steam library. Right-click on Arc Raiders and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check for missing or corrupted data and automatically replace it. Always close Steam completely before starting the verification process. This process may take a few minutes depending on your game size. Next, update your graphics drivers using NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Outdated drivers can also cause corruption errors or game instability. Restart your PC after updating drivers to apply changes properly. Keeping drivers updated improves performance and reduces game errors overall. If the issue continues, reinstall the game completely. Uninstall Arc Raiders from Steam first. Then delete any leftover files in the installation folder located at C Program Files x86/Steam Apps common/Arc Raiders. This helps remove deeply stored corrupted cache and configuration files. Make sure to restart your system after reinstall for best results. After that, reinstall the game from Steam and launch it again. These steps usually fix corrupted file issues and get Arc Raiders working again. If the problem still appears, check Steam servers or verify storage health. And make sure to keep your game and drivers updated. Thanks for watching.